Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. I'm super excited. This came from my friend Nicole. She's such a sweetheart and she's got the cutest dog named Ace and I'm just thrilled. So let's get it started, shall we? This is the best knife ever to open things with. Okay, I got it opened. We're ready to get the show on the road. Oh, it's another birthday. Some more birthday tissue paper. You guys, you all just spoil me so much. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the first thing I see is this really pretty gift bag. Oh man. Okay. Oh. Looks like she has some things kind of wrapped up in here. So here's what it looks like. It kind of matches. Kind of matches what I got on. Well, I'm just gonna feel around. Here's a card. Nope, that's not the card. That's just the bottom of the bag. I like to see if there's a card to open first, but I don't feel one yet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get crack-a-lackin'. So the first thing I see here is this. Oh, it's another cute yard flag. Aww. Summer. I don't have a summer one. I have a fall one and a Christmas one, and now I have a summer one. These are so cute. Look. Except for, I will say, the Christmas one and the fall one are just so adorable that I kind of want to turn them into pillows. They're just so adorable. I don't want them to stick outside and get dirty. This is so cute. Thank you. Feel the difference. Oh, you can feel the difference. It's soft. This is darling. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's see. What do we have here? Today. Oh my heavens, this is the cutest. I must put him on right now. Oh man, this is adorable. Oh, it's adorable. It's got the tag on, but I'm not gonna cut it off because I don't have scissors. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. There we go. Let's put it back just a little so you can see it better. There. I love it. I love it so much. Thank you. Thank you, Nicole. I love it. Oh, look at all these cards. Oh my goodness. Okay. Happy birthday, Tracy, and then Tracy, and then Halloween. It says, look, I'm early for this one. Happy Halloween. Halloween. Okay, well, I will open the birthday one first. Oh my gosh. It says, I want this card to remind you of something special every time you see me. Dear Tracy, every time you glance at this card, I want it to remind you that your presence in the world is such a wonderful thing. You are so deserving of every happiness I can possibly wish, and I constantly find myself thinking of you and wishing you knew about the smiles you inspire. Thousands. I want you to come home to this card in all the seasons ahead, and I want you to feel a glow in your heart just from knowing that you never ever have to wonder if you're in someone's thoughts, or if there's anybody out there who truly and lovingly appreciates you, because this card is always going to be here to tell you how much I do. My friend. Happy birthday, love, Nicole. Thinking of you. Oh, that was so sweet. Thank you, Nicole. That was really, really sweet. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Okay, now I'm going to open just the Traci one. Oh! This one is birthday. Don't think of it as another birthday. Dear Aunt Traci, oh, this is from Ace, her puppy. Well, he's not a puppy, but I call all dogs puppies. Think of it as the anniversary of the day the world was graced with your presence. Aw, that's what I do. Love, Ace. Thanks, Ace. You're the bestest ever. Oh my goodness. Okay. Here's a nice Halloween card with some jokes. What do ghosts eat for breakfast? Blueberry muffins. What is Dracula's favorite holiday? Thanksgiving. And why couldn't the werewolf cross the street? His mummy wouldn't let him. Oh, pa-dum-bum. That's cute. Let's see here. This thing. I knew this was a bad idea. Why mummies don't own cats. It says Momo. That is so cute. It's like ripping up all of his wrappings. That is so cute. Dear Traci, happy Halloween. We saw a few things that just screamed Traci B, so of course we snatched them up. We hope you like them. Love you, Nicole and Ace. Oh, thanks, guys. This card is hilarious. And so is my hat here. This is so cute. Okay, onward. Fruity Pebbles birthday cake candy bar. What? I have not seen these before. Ooh, I bet it's amazing because I love Fruity Pebbles. I love and adore Fruity Pebbles. Momo, hi. Hi. What are you doing? Did you come down to see what's going on? Oh my goodness, she's got just so many little things in here. What is this? Stonewall Kitchen Blueberry Honey Waffle Cookie. That looks good. And check this out. Look at this cute little keychain wallet. This is super handy. That is so cute. This is really super handy. I love this. Thank you. That's darling. That's perfect. I like to save tissue. Okay. There's two things left in here. I don't know which one to open first. There's something round and something square, so I'll do round because I can hear something in there that sounds kind of familiar. Beads. Oh my gosh, look at this pumpkin case. Look at these pumpkin beads. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Orange, green, and purple beads. And then some black letter beads, gold beads, and some string. That is so cute. And then some of these white blocks. And look at those cute orange and white spacer beads, black beads. These pumpkin orange beads are the cutest. Looks like she got these from TJ Maxx. Adorable. Thank you. This will be so fun to play with. Oh my gosh. This is adorable. Thank you so much. I love it. I just love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's the last thing right here. Aww. My dear friend, you are a blessing. Oh, and it has a key with it. It's a heart. I'm gonna take it out. It's a curated collection of sculpted hearts. Each unique design was created by one of many contributing artists. Cool. Gotta get the knife. It's got the little tape on the side here. Wow. This is so neat. Oh my goodness, it's like an ornament. And on the back is the keyhole for this super cute key. Check that out. Art hearts. Oh my gosh, look at that key. That is so cute. And then it just goes in there. That is so cute. Thank you. Says, my dear friend, you are a blessing to me. Thank you, Nicole. That is so sweet. I love this so much. It's so beautiful. Oh, I just love it. And there's a little tag here. Okay, it says Art Hearts. I love this so much. Thank you. And you're a blessing to me too. All of y'all are blessings to me. But wait, I almost forgot. We're gonna do a little taste test here on this Fruity Pebbles bar. Oh yeah. I have a box of Fruity Pebbles in the cupboard right now. I just have a feeling it's gonna taste like a bowl of cereal. You can see the Fruity Pebbles. It kind of smells like Fruity Pebbles and birthday cake, because this is a birthday cake candy bar. I'm just gonna break a little off here. There it is. Isn't that cute? Isn't that a cute candy bar? Mmm. First things first, it's extremely sweet. Extremely sweet like me. This is really good. You taste the Fruity Pebbles, but first you taste the white chocolate, and then you taste the Fruity Pebbles last. This is really good. I will say though, it is just so sweet. That's all I can eat for now. There's no way anybody could eat not even half of this at one time. It is so sweet, but it's really, really good. It's really good. It tastes like quality chocolate. It doesn't taste like a cheap candy bar or anything like that. It's a really good candy bar. It's really nice. So thank you. I just love it. Thank you, Nicole. That is so sweet of you. And Ace, thank you so much. You all have made my birthday and Halloween so much fun. I just love you all, every single one of you. And I know you've heard me spew it before, because I spew it all the time. I'm so grateful and thankful for all of you. You guys spoil me so much, and it just really, really, truly fills my heart with warm fuzzies. I can just feel your love, and it just, I don't know what more to say because I just love you all, and I'm so grateful for everything. And I just love it, and I love you, and I mean it, and thanks again. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.